Hello guys, my name is Gab and welcome to my Palawan vlog. It's really exciting because first time ko sa Palawan at first time ko din travel vlog. I'm here with my friend. It's just the two of us for this trip and we'll spend the entire week in Puerto Princesa and El Nido, Palawan. Nag-book kami ng flight from Manila to Puerto Princesa and then transfer kami from airport to Cherry Bus Terminal. And then we arrive here in El Nido. All in all, we'll spend 4 days in El Nido. We will do Tour A. We'll go to Duli Beach, Nakpan Beach. And ayun, we officially made it to our Airbnb. Nakaligo na din ako. This is my outfit. I'll show you guys later. Ayun, we booked this place sa mismong town proper, town square, because we want to be surrounded sa cafes and restaurants nearby. So today is going to be a chill day lang. We'll just have lunch after this. I dyed my hair for this trip. This is light copper blonde and linagyan ko lang siya ng brown. This is not the way I planned it to be pero it looks good naman I guess. Wow! Oh my god, look at that view! And now we are walking to Tuto Pasa. Ayaw niya mag-walk here kasi mainit. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and we're going to have our breakfast. Yung breakfast namin is kasama na siya sa accommodation because we were so tired na we slept immediately when we got home. Prepared in the morning, we woke up around 6 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. We packed our things because the plan for today is Tour A. For me, itong Tour A is one of the main highlight for this trip. So I'm very excited. We are now headed to our tour. We are walking towards where the Amigos Bar.
If I say hip hip, everyone say wow. Hip hip.
Wow!
I can hear you again. Hip hip.
Wow!
to do our first of all mag-kayak. First time kayaking, Kyle and me, it's my third time. We are here in the Big Lagoon. We are kayaking. Ayoko na, pagod na ako. Ang hirap pumasok.
You know what is the name called kind of this rock? That is called limestone. Yeah, coral is animals. So that's why that rock is alive. Because that's it, living things. Every 100 years they are grow. And also that rock.
Toyota Fantasy.
Look at that view.
Yung pala ginagawa ko kayo napakagana.
Hours close.
Matutupad siya.
Hello guys, it's currently 6:50 p.m. and Tour A just happened, and honestly it was one of the best tours I've ever experienced. 5 destinations, pero dapat 4 lang. Pero may isa silang pinatry sa amin na beach. We're just going to chill, maybe by 7 p.m. we'll eat dinner na.
Bakal po yun. So,
Galit siya.
guys, so it's officially our third day in El Nido Town Square. We bed in our hotel first. We tried the canopy walk, and it's not just any walk. The view was so majestic, I could cry when I saw the view. You could see the entire town square doon sa canopy walk. And we are planning to go to Marimegmeg or Las Cabañas. I think magkatabi lang yun, so there is one.
Olhei, sabe um dia perfeito começando com amor do sol, acariciando sua pele como as ondas do mar. Dançam com um ritmo relaxante, uma alma da minha mulher, combina com o cheiro refrescante do mar, criando uma sinfonia de sabores que faz seu coração sorrir. As cores vibrantes da ilha.
We out here vibing. This is how El Nido looks like at night. I'm gonna tell you guys, and we're gonna have dinner tonight. May dalawang famous Thai food here, which is Big Bad Thai. Tapos yung isa, no, not so Thai. I don't know why. We're gonna try Big Bad Thai kasi para mas maganda yung vibe doon. So yeah, let's go. Whoa. I love it. Maraming nightlife, and we thought na the restaurants are going to be closed early, but it's not. They're all alive at night. Right? Almost got hit, bro.
O verde exuberante das plantas tropicais, o azul profundo do oceano e o dourado do pôr do sol. As palmeiras balançam.
We're gonna try this shrimp. What they call this?
Convite para soltar as preocupações e deixar a música guiar sua alma. Cada conversa é uma celebração, cada encontro é uma festa. Amigos se reúnem compartilhando histórias e risadas enquanto criam memórias que aquecem o coração aqui. O tempo não é uma preocupação, é um fluir agradável como um rio tranquilo.
We are going to the beach, bus.
A ilha, recitando o mundo, a vida é uma deliciosa melodia, uma mistura perfeita de natureza, cultura e felicidade. Cada dia é uma nova oportunidade para sorrir, dançar e aproveitar tudo que a vida tem a oferecer.
Learn how to look. Hindi ko pa na ano. Ang kilabat. Ano? Wait lang.
Longest mammal on earth.
Mama?
And the twink is not to the
True. Isn't it so beautiful? You just gotta keep living, man. L-I-V-I. Big dog.
Are those wild cows here? Hostages.
Airport on all of you.
Sorry?
Town Square.
Let's still having a little chit chat.
Hostages.
Riding the police car.
First time.
Really?
So sad, we're gonna leave Town Square na.
Marami ng tao sa tutok.
The way to Puerto Princesa. Say hi.
We're gonna try the underground river. Here are some limestone. It said, look, don't touch, and don't feed the monkeys.
We are now in full gear. We're wearing our helmet and light.
Parang Age of Dinosaurs lang.
In Seven Wonders, there are 3 categories po. Ngayon, marami nang nagdo-document regarding dun sa, sa geology. Kumbaga nag-evolve na lang sa katagalan po ng tanong. Talaga?
Yes.
Anong taon po yung
2022. Nung first time ko pa lang halos 2 hours kami nag-antay dito sa
mahaba,
pila.
mahaba dati ang pila.
Wala kami ng audio guide, suot sa leeg, then walang pipindutin.
I think for audio guide, I don't know how this works. Meron bang earpiece to?
In Japanese or English?
Sila, kasi sila nakatira dito sa Silsa. Tayo ay bisita lang muna.
The palace will be relying on you.
They're so gentle, di na sila aggressive. Ito malapit. Katakot ka ba?
Sabi ni Kyle, nandito daw yung best pearls in the world. What?
Cheapest.
Cheapest pearl in the world. We are looking for some pearls, good pearls.
Ito pearls.
The shark tooth.
Yes, it's real shark too.
Pinatay nila yung mga shark first.
Hindi, syempre patay na na shark.
Lace earring tapos bracelet. That's why it's like this. But
Magkano yan?
650 per.
Ha?